What happens when the richest man on Earth talked about the Pi coin? Okay, guys, look at this picture I just found. This is an image of Elon Musk putting on a t-shirt that bears our beloved Pi Network logo. Guys, as you can see, this is not me capping or trying to exaggerate it right here, as we can all see on our screens. To confirm the authenticity of the photo, I'm currently trying to determine the source of the image and what Elon Musk was doing at the time it was taken. So please, it takes time and hard work to conduct research and bring this to you, and the least you can do to help my channel to grow is by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and let's continue. But guys, let's all think about this together. What Elon Musk has been doing over the past few months, or let's say years, actually points out that he is very interested in Pi first. Elon Musk is planning to name his first ever manufactured phone Pi Tesla phone. He has recently made significant investments in cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. His company, Tesla, also accepts cryptocurrencies for its electric vehicles. Before the end of 2022, the reported Tesla Model Pi smartphone will be released. Since the news of the Tesla Pi phone debut has been announced, many have been wondering if it would compete with well-known phones like the iPhone, according to several media reports. The smartphone, once launched, will be a tough challenge for smartphone firms like Apple, Samsung, and others. The Tesla Pi phone will be available in stores starting in December 2023. For most users, the ability to access multiple blockchains over the same network significantly enhances their Bitcoin experience. Although token transfer is the most frequently utilized feature of blockchain bridges, it can also transmit data and convert smart contracts, among other exciting things. For instance, the two largest cryptocurrency networks, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have quite different rules and regulations. By investing in various Ethereum tokens or paying small fees, Bitcoin users can transfer their funds to Ethereum through a blockchain bridge and use them in ways that would otherwise be impractical on the Bitcoin network. It is difficult to determine the Pi currency's present worth because it has not yet been exchanged. There have been no transactions and there haven't been any cash awards. It is important to distinguish between the Pi Network coin and the Pi Networker. Powered by the Pi Networker DeFi token, the decentralized exchange known as PancakeSwap uses the Pi token. Now let's talk about the message from the Pi core team. The core team has made it public for those who are waiting for their KYC to be validated and for those who haven't yet migrated their Pi to the main net to be patient, as moderators were removed due to factors like United States sanctions and a change. The Pi network is moving in the opposite direction from some of these coins and already has an army of supporters who are known as pioneers. So now how will it affect the value of Pi? Furthermore, guys, please be aware of scammers in my comment section. We do not have a WhatsApp account, and I will never ask you to contact me on WhatsApp. All of these guys using my profile picture, I'm coming for you. I'm sorry if I bored you with this. I really have to say this to you, so please be wise. Let's get back to the video. When Elon Musk finally purchases the Pi network, this may be caused the Pi price to rise up. For the previous 2 days, the price of the Shiba Inu token has decreased by more than 7%. While the price of the Pi has decreased along with the cryptocurrency market as a whole due to a general correction, there have still been entities purchasing the token since the beginning of February. According to data, one such buyer who was quite substantial and well-known was jump trading, if it jumped into the Pi network. In recent days, the major player was particularly active, but other parties are also interested in the Pi tokens, as the number of holders is expected to increase steadily starting in December 2022. Since the beginning of the second month of the new year, there have been an extra 2 million wallets added to the number of Pi network holders. Large investors are banking on the Pi network since the token has a lot of utility and is expected to grow significantly in the near future. It would be greatly appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It greatly supports the channel. You should also stay watching to get the latest Pi network news. Pi network will run the freelance market. Since the introduction, Pi has been eagerly anticipated, and a tentative date has been making waves among the Pi community. The company behind Pi has stated in a blog post that the beta test is getting closer by the second and that it has now joined with Poofwork, a freelancing cryptocurrency marketplace that enables employees to charge more and receive payment in Pi and other cryptocurrencies. The partnership also aims to integrate Oracle of Oracles, which will safely support cryptocurrency payments on Poofwork after the launch. Proof of Work is also planning to switch to the PI network after the launch, making this partnership even more noteworthy. This is another project that will be using the PI. Keep in mind that the fees PI will be used to burn the tokens, so every new project using the PI network will in the future put down the PI token. Now that we've covered that, let's go on to the main topic of today's video. Elon Musk publishes the same sign. Proof of Work now has its own cryptocurrency called Poof. Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a strange symbol on Twitter early on Thursday, confusing his 128.4 million followers, which the community believes could indicate that a collaboration is about to happen. The tweet was merely a DOT and contained no additional information. Surprisingly, the lead developer for the PI network, Nicholas Kokalis, tweeted the same symbol on Twitter in December 2022. While this might have been a coincidence, investors who associate Elon Musk with Kusama have been perplexed by the symbol. There are a few online rumors that say Elon Musk is the alias. You can read one of the rumors here. Connotations like this add fuel to the flames because they reveal his identity while disguising the crypto. This, according to the community, might be a foreshadowing of upcoming changes to Twitter. If true, the PI network price will go completely parabolic and break new all-time highs, so let's all hope it happens. But keep in mind that this is just speculation, and nothing has been confirmed as of yet. Elon has previously discussed how he plans to integrate Twitter payments with the possibility of a Twitter coin. Could this be Elon Musk giving people an early insight that the PI network could be used as the official coin of Twitter?
According to an official statement from the P-Core team, plans are still in the early stages for the upcoming Layer 2 protocol, which will use the capped Pi network protocol. Now, let's talk about the P node and what everyone should know about the P node, the node which functions on laptops and desktop computers rather than mobile phones, occupies the fourth place in the P ecosystem. Similar to previous blockchains, Pi nodes will be responsible for validating transactions on a distributed ledger and resolving the challenges of managing a distributed currency by ensuring that all nodes concur on the sequence in which new transactions are entered. The P node utilizes a consensus mechanism that is based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, as opposed to nodes that use proof of work like those for Bitcoin or Ethereum.
If you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. How many PI coins do you hold? Don't forget to name them in the comments section below. Let's commend the PI owner for having faith in the procedure. Turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Subscribe to the channel